Right here on the ribbon, if you right click on the ribbon, you can show or hide any tabs that you want. If I don't want the animation tab, I can hide it by clicking on it, and the animation is hidden. I can display it again by using right click again on it. You can't unhide the BIM 360 glue or the render tabs. If you clicked on it, it won't hide. Or you can do this with panels. If you don't want the camera panel shown, you can click on it. It would be hidden. If you have, or if someone tampered with ribbon on your device, you can restore the default ribbon like this, and it would make everything visible again.